We are going to the garden centre now to see if we can get some breakfast for the first time in months, and to see if we can get something for like a bit of Christmas decorations, maybe a nice bauble. I think we'll go to a few other places after that, but that's where we're going to go first. It's like a bomb went off on this table, but I'm pretty happy that these mats came from Amazon today for the kitchen table though. In grey. So that one has easy cleans. That'll be nice, won't it? It's actually pretty hard to get stuff for some reason. I imagine COVID is the reason, but I like it. Are you ready for my mini beauty bay haul? The box just arrived. We weren't expecting any posts on a Saturday. Sorry, I'm not used to filming on my phone, so I don't know where to look. But yeah, let me just show you what I got. So I got this candle. I had this before and I used it up. I absolutely love this. This is the Neom, the Scent to Sleep one. This wax, as it burns, you know when it melts in your jar, you can rub this on your arms and your body. It's like a little massage oil. I just put it on my arms and chest. It's really lovely. Love this. Then I just needed some brushes, some more brushes, so I got some Sample Beauty, which I haven't tried yet. I got a little BH Cosmetics set because it was there. These were all on sale, that's why I got them. But I got a few, don't know if they're any good yet, like Bdellium tools, is that what it's called? Never heard of them. But since it was like somewhat accessible, I got them. I will let you know. I already have the BH Cosmetics I got from Elaine Pro 5, so I got another one of those because it was on sale. So basically it was just brushes and a candle. Let me get this like in Aldi, but this is the spiced orange candle. It's just a small candle. I did have this big one that they had and I really liked it. I put it on top of the stove, and I didn't see that, so I just got this one. This is the kind of setup we have going at the moment. I ordered more of these on Amazon. I didn't realize that there was only 4 in a set. My own bad. This table I got from my uncle, and these chairs we got on sale in Easy Living, and then we had this little thing here already. So I'm really happy with that. Cleaning the floors currently. Mother of the divine God, you have to put your back into it. You do. So I'm cleaning my brushes now. It is the following day and I'm not used to filming like this, sorry. So I'm cleaning the brushes now, it's the following day, and I found that out of all of the ways, the handiest way to clean it for me is using one of these. That just seems to be the easiest thing to get the job done. That is the washing machine saying it's ready. Yesterday I went like pretty much shopping, as you saw. Didn't really get much, but we got a few bits, which you saw. So that was exciting. I can't believe I'm cleaning my brushes. I do not do this often enough. And then Porrick's parents are coming over in a while, which is nice. And we did a real big deep clean, which is probably really boring, but yeah, it's done.